Wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah. Hey everybody, we're back! So with that kind of intro, where do you think we're at? We're at Knott's Berry Farm! Yeah! We're here because we saw that they have a limited time only fish and chips over at Wilderness Broiler. And we're gonna see if there's any setup for Knott's Scary Farm or Haunt yet. Okay. So come with us, let's go! Not appropriate. We found what appears to be our first part of Haunt. They've got the lights set up already, and not just there, but they got them over there in Ghost Town. So exciting! So we've clearly made a pit stop. You can see, get out of my way, child. Look at the corn. Now Diane wants corn. The corn is looking real good, so gotta get some corn. Since we're waiting in line, we figure we'll show you what they have at Fireman's Brigade Barbecue. They've got half chicken and pork. This, if you have the meal plan, 100% worth it. Yeah, it is included with the meal plan, and this is probably the most expensive meal that you can get on that plan. So we got it. We showed you guys in one of our Knott's videos. Definitely worth it, and the garlic toast is good too. Garlic toast is amazing. So whilst we are waiting to get corn, over my shoulder somewhere here, I saw it. More screaming children. I'll show you what we saw. So we found more lights up for Haunt. These are Haunt lights. And over there is a speaker so you can hear the scary music. So we had every intention of going and getting fish and chips. And we will go over there to verify that they have fish and chips. However, when we were getting a corn, the food at Fireman's Barbecue just looked so good. So we got one of the plates. We each got a plate. So this is the quarter chicken and the pork rib. So on the meal plan, it comes with one side, where if you don't have the meal plan, you get garlic toast plus a side. So we paid for the garlic toast. I got a baked potato. Diane got a piece of corn on the cob. And Diane got corn on the cob, but the food looks amazing. So here's Diane's plate. There's her corn on the cob. That's the chicken. And right under there is the pork rib with her garlic toast. There is the same thing, but with the baked potato. So I've never had their chicken.
Oh, we're talking. How was that? I was talking to her. I didn't know we were on.
We're on. Lights, camera, action. I've never had their chicken. And I'm very particular when it comes to chicken. So we're gonna see how this tastes. Oh. It's fall off the bone. Can't take her anywhere. It is fall off the bone. It's actually very good. Yeah, it's delicious. Nothing like a theme park at night. And corn on the cob. Nothing like a theme park at night. It's nice. It's like peaceful. We had some music that we were listening to, some like folksy guys. And then, you know, distant screams in the background. So as you can see, they do have Taste of Knott's fish and chips for $13.75. And it says it's served with tartar sauce and lemon.
And that is a limited time only. I don't know how limited, how long, what.
So as we're walking through by Pony Express, you can see more hot love. Time this pretty well because I'm at the entrance of the accelerator in the line. And if you look, this area for Haunt is the carnival, so it's called Carnival. It's basically clowns. But if you look, they've got props back there already. And then if we come around this way, you look, this is an entrance to whatever the maze for Carnival is. And you can see it's like a circus tent. So super excited.
Yeah, that's great. And that's very loud.
Somebody seems very excited. Oh, maybe that was her code for all clear. Waving at the people? Oh, yeah. Ooh, let's see if we can see the train robbers. Yeah. Oh, I heard them. There they are. Robbers.
They're jokers now. They joke at you and then rob you. They don't shoot at you no more.
Want to ride Berry Tales?
No. And I love the old Knott's Berry Tales.
I remember them having Knott's Berry Tales, but for that building, I remember the dinosaur ride. I loved the dinosaur ride.
You know, Knott's Berry Tales was over where Camp Snoopy is.
Yes.
In fact, it's Lucy's now, or what's it called now? The grill.
Food. I don't
Yeah.
know. So we have been told that they have a lighting of the K and fireworks.
Yes.
So we figured since we were here,
Let's see what we can see.
why not?
Yeah. So up ahead, this is a part of the summer nights here at Knott's, which I believe is coming to an end the first week of September. So yeah, this is a part of the nightlife here at Knott's that we haven't experienced yet.
I know, we're always here during the day. Normally on Sunday, so it's different being here at night.
And on a weekday. Look at all this. Just take a look at that. This looks like fun.
It's hopping.
Music's playing. They got a band up there. I don't know who the band is. What did you see?
That is not a baby in the bassinet. It is a tiny teacup dog.
Tiny dog.
Yeah, she frequents here on her summer night with her friends. So, we have asked multiple people of where good viewing for the lighting of the K and the fireworks are.
Right. We got multiple locations. Multiple answers.
Yes. So someone.
I'm sorry. Go ahead.
No, it's fine. You
No,
were
go.
talking
You
first.
go.
You were talking.
I don't know what I was saying.
So somebody said Boardwalk over by Hang Time is where all the action's happening. That was a cast member, but then I guessed who the cast member said, you know everything more than I do about this place. Where would you sit? She said over by the stage where Hiatus was playing. Find a table, you can stand up there and get a really good view of it. Or over by the stagecoach.
Yeah.
And then another worker said right over there by the fountain.
But that table there, you can't see the cave. The hang
Right.
time's in the way.
Right.
So we came a little bit in front of it. To the left, you can see the cave.
Right over there.
Show. Never seen it before.
Yeah, we've never, like we said before, we've not really ever been here at night. So The show's gonna start in just a couple minutes.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Are you?
Yeah.
You don't look excited.
No, I am. I'm very excited.
Shut up. Stop talking.
To make announcements.
Direct attention.
100 years of Knott's Berry Farm with the lighting of the Knott's Berry Farm Cave. In 1920, a simple farmer and his family settled the very land on which you are standing. Their story embodies the American spirit. It's a classic rags to riches tale that grew to life in the fields of a berry farm in William. It's an authentic tale of many working together to fulfill a dream. Knott's Berry Farm is a place where families come together to fulfill their own dreams and create lifelong memories. Tonight, we illuminate the Sky Tower Cave as a way of paying tribute to the Knott family and the 100th celebration of a Southern California original.
We're glad you all could join us. We're happy as can be. We sang some songs and raised the roof and shared our history.
That was not Disney. Sorry. It was good. It was good, but it's made the children cry.
I'm not quite sure what I was listening to and or watching. So if we just rotate a little bit, you can see the K is lit up.
There it is. And he told a story. I don't know if you can hear it. He told the story of Walter
The rags
Knott,
to riches story.
the rags to riches story of Walter
Their words,
Knott.
not ours.
And so that's why they, let's go over here again, light the K in honor of the Knott's family for bringing us Knott's Berry Farm. And you know, it was short. It was only 5 minutes long. You saw the whole thing.
If you blink, you may miss it.
Yeah.
Improvements, constructive criticism. Maybe let's dim all the lights. We can
and
start
turn
there
off the
and
other sounds.
turn off the sounds.
Yeah. And you would think, because they have several ex-Disney bigwigs,
managers,
that they would have that to do that different. But that's it.
It was interesting. I'm glad we got to experience it.
Yeah, Knott's 100. Again, Summer Nights, I believe, ends the first week of September. I think it's the 6th.
Are you spreading lies?
No, I'm not.
But you don't know. So you may.
Sure.
100% sure. You're 100% sure.
No, I'm not. I said I'm not 100. Well, hello.
So you could. Oh, that's my hand. I was like, who the hell is putting their hand this close to us? That fireworks show has me messed up, clearly.
Oh my God.
So Diane is not 100% sure that.
Go on knotts.com and look for the scary hand.
I've literally made my heart jumped. Like when I saw the hand just sitting here, and I'm like,
Wow.
I'm gonna tell you, I thought it was Lonzo at first, because you remember how Lonzo used to always put their hand in pictures, like behind pictures? I thought it was Lonzo.
And I'm the senior of
They're
this
not with
couple.
us today. I had a minor heart attack.
Wow. Are you okay? So with this wonderful evening and those wonderful Knott's fireworks and the scary hand.
The hand of Alonzo.
It's from the Peanuts movie. And Charlie Brown says, whenever I feel really alone, I just sit and stare into the night sky.
It's not depressing at all.
Well, there's more to it. I've always thought that one of those stars is my star. And I know that my star will always be there for me. Like a comforting voice saying, don't give up.